Good evening. My name is Idoroyen Peter. I'm an MMM participant from Akwa Ibom State. I provided help on 26 April, and today I've gotten help. I provided help of 100,000, but today I've been able to get help of 130,000 thanks to MMM. Now, before I joined MMM, it was something of doubt, because I didn't really believe how it works until I really studied how ideology works. Like in MMM, what I really like most is that participants are matched from peer to peer. Then there is no central account that participant pays money to. Now the matching is being done automatically, and after confirmation they will start counting your days. I like the MMM community. Like, what I provided was my spare money, and the bonuses they give, the 30% and even the 10% referral bonus, I'm entitled to all those bonuses and I've gotten them. So I want to encourage other people that MMM pays. They should rely on MMM and try their best to provide help as much as they can. They should provide help so that the community will keep growing. Together we rule our world. MMM pays.